Hi guys, I'd love to introduce to you our air detoxifying mist. What makes this mist so unique is its clean formula, alcohol-free and ultra-safe. Within our formula, we have the exclusive Chloris Pure air detoxifying technology with bacteria inhibition ability. This potent yet gentle formula enables to transform airborne toxins into harmless substances such as water and carbon dioxide. Sensori Plus works on more than 100 chemical airborne toxins with the average removal ratio of 96%. To detoxify a standard bedroom, you just need to spray 4 to 6 pumps in the air evenly. If you have a newly refurbished room, spray 4 to 6 pumps. Keep the doors and windows closed for an hour for the active ingredient to eliminate the chemicals and toxins released by the paint and adhesives. You can also spray directly onto your clothes and hair to refresh them and eliminate any unwanted odours. By having this air detoxifying mist with you, the Australian fresh air experience follows you wherever you go.